Hey, what's going on YouTube? Silver Surfer coming your way again. Just wanted to show you guys my recent pickups. I'm finally caught up with my orders. I do have another numismatic coin coming in here, but for all my silver purchases, I'm pretty much caught up by now. So I picked up 14 ounces of Canadian maple leaves. As you can see, they're nice and lined up right there. That will complete this tube here of maples. So I got another tube of that completed. Each of those I got for under $16 each, which is pretty awesome. So very, very excited about that. Picked up the third in the series here, the Prospect series of the Pony Express from Provident. Those are super inexpensive and kind of neat coins, you know. I'm happy to add it to my collection. I think they got some pretty cool themes going on. So also got this Perth Mint, the new wildlife series with the koalas, the mama and the baby, the 2 ounce. These things are pretty cool. Seen a lot of you guys unbox these. You know, you can get them for fairly cheap considering it's a Perth Mint coin. So I thought I'd add it to the stack. And then lastly, I got this Korean tiger, which this is my favorite of the 3 that I got. Very, very well made. You know, it's got an awesome cameo appearance on it, on the obverse, and the reverse is pretty neat looking too. The security feature on it's kind of interesting also. It's got this on the right, the little circle there. So you can see as I tilt it that way, it says AG for the elemental metal of silver, and then as you go this way, it has 3 nines fine. So that's kind of a neat feature, I thought. But anyways, I just want to show you guys that I am stacking. I'm trying to keep up with some of you big time hitters on YouTube, but I'm sitting here filling my rolls, you know, just slow and steady kind of wins the race. So I've got 14 extra ounces and a few other kind of coins that jumping on board or continuing in the series. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and talk to you guys later. Silver Surfer out.